Welcome to Be Smart Maxx, where books turn into power and knowledge becomes success. Subscribe and grow with us.
Broadcasting every plan and life goal to the world is the fastest way to ensure you never actually achieve them. The alternative is the ghost mode protocol. It is a systematic approach to stepping away from the noise, upgrading yourself in secret, and reappearing as a version of yourself that the world no longer recognizes. You only need 3 things to start this process: a highly specific target, a pen and paper, and the absolute willingness to isolate. This protocol is about hoarding your energy. Every time you seek cheap validation by talking about your plans, you bleed away the exact fuel required to execute them. Step 1 is an absolute information lockdown. Immediately stop sharing your opinions, your upcoming plans, and the mundane details of your daily life. You need to become a complete mystery. When friends, family, or coworkers ask about your life direction, you will use this exact script. Nothing special. I haven't really figured it out yet. Sharing your goals triggers a premature sense of satisfaction in your brain. It feels like an accomplishment before the work is done, and it naturally invites jealousy from peers who feel threatened by your ambition. You might worry that people will judge your sudden silence. This is the spotlight effect, a bias tricking you into assuming everyone is evaluating your every move. The reality is, everyone stands under their own spotlight, too consumed by their own problems to care about what you're doing. Committing to this silence will cause friction. You will inevitably lose superficial connections and push certain people away. By removing the constant feedback loop of external opinions, you reclaim the mental capacity to prioritize your own objectives over social compliance. Next, pinpoint the exact transformation you are seeking. Define it clearly, whether that's passing a degree program, hitting a specific financial milestone, or entirely rebuilding your physique. Write that goal down on a physical board and attach photographic proof of the exact end state you want. Here is the unbreakable rule. This board must be hidden in a completely private location, like a desk drawer or the back of a closet. It goes somewhere only you will access, every single day. Hiding the board removes the element of performance. There is no one left to impress, only the work left to do. With the target locked, your daily operational standard changes entirely. Every single waking hour must now revolve around achieving those secret targets. You have to ruthlessly eliminate the dopamine-heavy distractions consuming your time. That means cutting out video games, mindless scrolling on social media, and all the binge-watching. This chart illustrates the mathematical danger of moderate effort. Look at 2 fighters. The bar on the left represents a fighter training 14 hours a day, while the right is training 8 hours. The fighter with higher input builds an exponential advantage, mathematically guaranteed to crush the opponent putting in a balanced effort. Executing at this extreme volume will hurt. You will experience severe physical exhaustion, mental drain, and repeated crushing failures behind closed doors. Historical progress relies on hidden failures. Thomas Edison went through a grueling process of iteration, failing thousands of times in isolation before perfecting the light bulb. Similarly, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's early space projects, like the SLV-3 rocket, were massive setbacks. Yet those failures became the precise stepping stones he used to build India into a global leader in missile technology. Society only respects the final victory. That is why your sweat, your tears, and your thousands of failures must remain entirely hidden in the dark until the work is done. You are only permitted to step back out into the light when your secret targets have been definitively checked off. The external reaction will be total shock from peers who assumed you were doing absolutely nothing special all this time. The discipline required to endure months of isolation often exceeds the demands of your original goal. You will likely find that the target you once viewed as a ceiling is actually just a new floor. Ghost mode becomes a permanent evolution. You will find a deep peace in the shadows, choosing to set even larger goals and remaining a quiet mystery to the world.